Okay, part two. One more store. Station. That beeping trouble. It is. Holy crap. It is. Holy crap. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, shit. It's in trouble, folks. Caught a piano in trouble tonight. Looks like it quit. Here's somebody. I wonder if they're are they testing them? Maybe. It's like somebody's in the control panel. Oh, it's beeping again. I wonder if they're testing them. Another piano's beeping. I know the system's separate. I wonder if it powered off and came back on. Is it rebooting? Crap. Is it piano like Hey, is the fire alarm piano beeping? Yeah. Why, what's wrong with it? Trouble?
That's just a glitch in the system.
Did it go off alarms? Okay, have a good night. Awesome. We caught a fire piano in trouble tonight. Holy crap. Woo! Interesting. Oh, cool. Now let's get the outdoor alarms and we'll be out here. So far we haven't been busted, so it's good. It's success. Finally get the outdoor ones without issue. And then I'll go home. We got 3 I want to catch. See, I'm still zoomed in. I think I'm just gonna stay. I hope I don't run out of space. I can't believe I call a fire alarm piano in trouble tonight. Isn't that funny? You know what it's doing? It seems like it's going to trouble. It's going to normal, going to trouble, going to normal. That's what I think it's doing. It's glitching it. They said it's a glitch. Still got a few more arms I gotta catch. I hope security is not around this area. Like I said, so far I haven't been busted yet. So this is going perfectly. There's a fire bell. I can't believe I call a fire panel in trouble on video. Isn't that something? I call a fire panel in trouble. Holy crap, made my night. I don't know if I should be, I don't know if you're, I don't know. I hope security's not around here. Yeah, I was nervous about doing the tour, then I was brave. I got busted here 2 years ago for this. What happened was, I was recording videos here back in July, I had tons of them with the alarm system. And I'm not sure how somebody reported me as security, but I was filming the alarms on this morning. I was filming the alarms actually a week before that, like constantly, but day by day. But I was filming this one morning here. I caught a video of a couple of alarms, a stackers machine, and the hand dryer, which was loud in that bathroom. As soon as I got out, security approached me saying, we've been getting several complaints they've been recording in our building. We got complaints from Marshalls, complaints from Macy's. Well, not Macy's, Marshalls, movie theater, Spencer's I was recording. And I don't know how they caught me. I was just holding my camera like this. This was 2 years ago. Then I came back in August to do another tour. Which I did ran into security a couple of times during this, but They didn't really, they just said hi and that was it, but just got a couple more alarms to get and go get the one in the pack and we'll be out of here. We're good. As long as they're not riding around here. And I hope this thing doesn't run out. It's going to be a long video to upload. Kind of want to upload it tonight before I go to bed. There's a special advance over here I want to get. Oh yeah, there's the whole security's right there. Oh, I'm just riding. They won't do nothing. I don't think they're just parked there. I hope. I hope I didn't get busted. Oh well, if I do, I do. I always chance it, so it's private property, so they can bust you if they want to. But you know what? This is a chance to take film and stuff. Chance to press your luck. Okay, the special advance is right here. Let's zoom. Right there. Okay. Zoom out. Now we gotta go back and get the last alarm, and then I'm gonna wrap it up. So far, it's been no busted. We got a long ways to go. I know the sun's gonna be going down soon, so I gotta try and I wanna get home before it gets dark. Marshals, I hear a train too, chugging around somewhere. I just shut my camera because I don't know if my train has a 14-minute limit or not. Because if that's the case, it would be a failed video and I have to retake it again. I don't want to get these things once. I think we're pretty much in the clear. I don't think security's around. Oh shoot! I gotta get on the sidewalk. Well, they're not flagging around here. I could still get busted. I mean, even though I'm on the outside the building. This is private property, don't forget. So they can bust you here. I am taking my chances. One more alarm to film and I'll get off the property. So far, the video's been good this way. I'm gonna keep the camera on when I go to make sure I have my off. Because they say never shut your camera off in case something happens. If I get busted after turning it off, I want this all on video. So one more alarm and we'll get the heck out of here. Looks kind of hazy out here to me. I'm already on 8 minutes already, but you know what? One more alarm and we're done. It's an outdoor one. It's right here. Right here. You might not be able to see it when we zoom. Right there, special alert advance, my man. Special alert advance. Right there. See it? Can you see it? That, and there's a bell right there. Alright. Let me just keep my camera on, make sure I'm out of here. And we're pretty much good. Planet Fitness. I'm not going in there though. I won't go on Planet Fitness though. I think we got enough tonight, folks. Oh, we didn't get the pet store. Do I want to go back and get the pet store? You know what? Let's go get the pet store and we'll be good. One more place. I only got 9 minutes of footage. I don't want to get busted. This is... Shit, I forgot one store. Can't believe I was almost off the property and then forgot PetSmart. I don't want them to catch me though. If we skip too long, I'm gonna stop. A couple more arms and that'll be it. Well, they have a control. Oh. Hello. Boys are everywhere here. Okay. I'll get one more. I'm not standing here. Too many employees. Those are too high up anyways. Alright, that's enough. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Scary. I don't really get that. Oh well, I don't care. I don't want to go back. Too much employees in this bit. Let's go. I didn't get that pole station. It's hidden behind the fan. I don't want employees are just watching. That's good. A lot of people here. I'll wrap it up here. Hi guys. Have a good night. Oh guys. That's that. We get out of here now. Well guys, it was a successful tour. No problems with security this time, like I did 2 years ago. Let's get off the property and make sure first. If I can get to that property line without being chased, I'll be good. And I'll end the video. It's gonna take a while to upload. It's like a long video to post. I might not be done till the morning, who knows. Well guys, updated fire alarm tour of 2023 at the Bay City Mall. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. Can't believe I caught a fire panel in trouble tonight, which was pretty cool. But anyways, folks, that's gonna be it. Subscribe, and there's a car right there. Subscribe to my channel. Hope you like my material. I will see you guys later. Oh, holy crap, that car's going fast. Holy crap, I need to catch this. What is he doing? Holy crap. Car, whoa, I need to catch this. Frick is this guy doing? I only got a minute. This car's out of control. Holy crap. What are you doing? What the frick? This person's out of control. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm recording it. I don't know if he's just doing stunts. Whoa! I gotta stop this because I'm running out of time. That car is, I don't know if I have a 14-minute limit or not on this, but I don't want a chance. Wow. And we in the vehicle with out of control car. Maybe somebody doing stunts or whatever on the road. Anyways, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. See you. Bye.